Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook event. So in order to create a Facebook event, all you need to do is open the Facebook app just like this. Once you're at home, go to the bottom right menu, and then first of all make sure that you go to your Facebook page. So in order to do that, click on pages and just select the page where you want to create the event on. So I'm going to use this one. Once you've done that, click on switch right here. And once you've done that, go to the bottom right corner of your screen. Then what you need to do is click on your profile right here and scroll a little bit down till you find this option right here called posts, about, photos, reels, and you have more where you can click on, and then it will say events. Once you've done that, click on that and click on create an event. Once you're right here, you can name your event, you can add a start and date time, you can add a description, and basically once you've done all of that, you can add and click on create event. And that's basically all you need to do in order to create an event over on Facebook. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.